Here we have the two 1992 Trane units, the Odyssey and the XE 1000. I filmed back in 2018. I don't know if y'all remember that, but I got this one starting up because it was cycling. It's got a recip down there. And there's the data. I don't even think this is running at all. And there's this unit that never runs. With the deteriorating coils and everything. It's got a big ass recip down there. It's pretty good to look at. As you can see, this is also from 92, and it's a 90,000 BTU. It's got that old data sheet that usually fades. I guess I'll take that as a better picture of a thumbnail. But yeah. And there's more to that will come from. So thank you guys for watching.